Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, a video about a Land Rover here, Discovery. If you have any Land Rovers guys with active cornering system, you know, the one that stabilizes the rollover bars and all that stuff, you can recognize it by having two caps on that reservoir right here. One is for power steering, one is for active steering, active corner steering. So we're going to do a flush today, but what's important guys is, like, if you unhook the hose, you get air in the system, you need computer to bleed the system. And if you don't bleed it, that pump, and if you that pump is worth about $600 right here. That's the one I'm talking about. This is the active cornering pump. So if you don't flush the system as well for a long time and the fluid is burned, it's done as well, and you'll be out at least $600 plus labor, programming, bleeding and all that stuff. So some places charge about $1,000 for that repair. So today guys, stay with us. We're going to show you how to flush the system. Okay, you can see, check it out, how nasty that thing is. It has 83,000 miles on the vehicle right now. Okay, so what we're doing now, we got that thing, you know, the one that is in the cooking section at the store, the one they use for turkeys and stuff to marinate. So we're going to get the fluid out of it. Just be careful not to go all the way down, because if you go all the way down, there is a screen on the bottom, so don't punch it. So let me show you the fluid now guys. Let me show you how bad that thing is in a minute and see what I'm talking about, and you'll see what else we need to do. We'll be using power steering fluid from Walmart. It works amazing. You can read on the forums that everybody says it works great. You don't need anything fancier than that, but it needs to be fresh fluid, and we're going to use some additive as well. Stay until the end to see what we're going to do. It lubricates them really good, so it prevents the pump from going bad. Okay, so we'll get quite a bit out of it there, you see. Okay, so we're getting more out of it now, and we're almost on the bottom. We'll show how much it takes. Okay, this one will be the last one now. Okay guys, you can see on the bottom. Okay, trying to get a really good view. This is the screen right there guys, so that's the one I was talking about. Make sure you don't punch a hole in it. Check the fluid out, black. It shouldn't be that way, it should be red. You need 2 or 3 quarts for that purpose, because we cannot drain the whole system. I told you why. And what we're going to do, we're going to fill it up to the max now. It's on this side, and once we do that, we're going to start the vehicle, let it run for a couple minutes and drain it again. Okay, you can see it's empty now all the way. Okay, so you can see we're filling it up now. Okay, right there, that's too much. Okay, right there, to the max. So that's good. So now we're going to go inside, start the Land Rover and let it idle for about a minute or two. Okay, you can see actually circulating inside. Do not open it. We'll just open it to show you guys, but don't do that. Okay, you can see the fluid circulating inside. It can spray in your eyes, face, burn you if it's hot. Don't do that. We just wanted to do it for the video to show you. Okay guys, this is the first one that we got. Look at it, black. Stay with us, we're going to wash it at least one more time, okay? And see what we get now the second time. We're just curious to see if the quality improved of the fluid. Okay, it looks a little bit better. You can see, now you can see it's kind of like brownish. Okay, so we're going to empty it again to the screen. Make sure you don't punch a hole in the screen on the bottom. And stay with us to see what we do. Alright guys, last one, empty again. You can see we emptied it all the way. And we're going to flush it a couple more times, okay? Let's fill it up now, start it again and see what's going to happen. Because it was extremely dirty. Okay, right there, that's the maximum. So with 2 coats you'll probably be able to wash it at least 4 or 5 times. So we're gonna start it and let it idle. Again guys, let it idle for a minute or 2. Okay, you can see inside. Okay, so we're going to empty the whole thing again and let's see if we have some improvement in the fluid cover. Okay, let me show you now 1 and 2, the first 2 times. Okay, the right one is the first, the second one is the second one, still pretty black. So hopefully the third one will look a little bit better, at least we hope so. But again, 4 or 5 times and you will probably circulate probably about 80% of the fluid. Alright guys, we emptied it the third time now. We're going to fill it up again, do the same procedure, start it, and we're going to do that 5 times, so stay with us, we're almost done. We'll just go ahead, do the rest 2 times, skip to the 5th one and come back to it and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the last time actually. We're done with it now. We're just emptying this piece now, and let me show you how much better it looks. Look at that thing. Okay, that's the 5th time. Okay, let me show you now the first time. This is the first time. You cannot see anything through the bottle. So stay with us to compare 1st, 3rd and 5th time. Okay guys, so this is it. First time here, okay, you can see. 3rd time, it's still pretty black, trying to see here in the sun. And this is the 5th time, you can see the fluid is getting clear, so that's great. You can go ahead and do a couple more if you want, but we're gonna stop there. So what else we're going to do? We'll actually add some fluid now, and we'll use Lucas Power Steering additive as well. So we're going to add some Lucas Power Steering additive now that we have here. A whole bottle is too much, so probably about 1/3 will be good. Okay, that's good there, and the rest we'll just use the regular power steering fluid. Alright guys, that will be the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching, please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.